Okay.
Nine.
That's from Nainay. Happy birthday.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Wow! What is it?
I think mine is the last one.
I'm believing ko ito. Last one ng... I cannot see. Oh.
Like 16.
16 na
No. This one bad for you.
Never mind. 16.
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
Wow! Hindi na one
Lip gloss.
Now you know how to put makeup on makeup.
Thank you, Nainay. So next is from that one, the white one.
This one.
Ah, he's pooping. What is this one? He's pooping. I can feel it. He was farting on me. Okay, wait. We watch Mama Yolo gift. What is that? Gift.
A towel.
A towel. Ayan!
Open the towel.
He's pooping. That's why.
Oh, it's pooping? Oh,
Yeah,
that's okay.
I felt that he was farting on my neck.
What's that, Mika?
Yes.
What is that,
Towel.
Mika's boyfriend.
It's okay. I love Lucy.
Don't wash it, Mika.
And the next one
How
is
good
from
she is.
Izzy.
From Easy. Yeah, her one.
You know about this gift?
Then Easy knows this gift. Pajama.
Pajama. And from Kuya Pinky, Ate Princess, and the twins.
What is it?
You have one more. Don't forget, you have one more.
Thank you.
Okay, one more.
Ala, 16,000.
Slowly.
Wow.
Yeah, full of
Money.
Guess how much? Guess if who money
Mama, kulang ang color. Brown. Where is the brown? Mama. You can nag-suggest na gawa sa brown.
Records you want. Thank you.
Can you share?
Isa, sige lang po na rin.
Isas daw, Mika. Isas.
O, tingnan din the color brown.
Go, like that, Mika.
I got 150 from where I got from here. Yeah, what are you doing?
Thank you, God.
Put it around your shoulder.
Blessing upon blessing for Mika. Thank you.
Stand up, stand up.
Stand up now.
I can double that in my school.
In your debut.
Double that.
Peso daw, peso.
I think